Fire truck got ran over by a reindeer in a couple seconds here.
For me and Grandpa, we believe. Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
Fire truck got ran over by a reindeer on Christmas Eve. There's no such thing as firefighters, but as for me and Daryl, we believe they've been drinking too much eggnog, and we begged the firefighters not to go. But they was drinking too much eggnog. They staggered out the door into the snow. We found the deer Christmas morning at the scene of the attack. They had tire marks on his forehead and incriminated scratch marks on his back. Fire truck got ran over by a reindeer Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as firefighters, but as for me and Daryl, we believe. Also proud of the firefighters. They've been taking this so well. Sitting in there putting out fires. Drinking eggnog and playing cards with Daryl. Without the reindeer. All the families dressed in red. Just can't help but wonder, should we pick up this deer off the road or leave it alone? Deer got ran over by a fire truck on Christmas Eve. There's no such thing as reindeer, but as for me and Daryl, we believe. Gooses on the table. There's blue and silver candles. That could match the hair in this deer's way. And to all of our friends and neighbors, you better watch out for running deer in the road. They should never give a license to a deer who runs across the road. Reindeer got ran over by a fire truck running across the road on Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as reindeers, but as for me and Daryl, we believe. Reindeer got ran over by a fire truck home across the road for Christmas Eve. Say there's no such thing as reindeer, but as for me and Daryl, we believe. Merry Christmas.